Good afternoon students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home and studying at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. So how are you? You all are studying? Yes, very good. Okay, so open your books and open your notebooks also. All of you open your maths book, open your maths notebook. Fast. Today also again we are going to start one new topic, and the topic that we are going to do today is subtract by counting backward. Subtract, no need to write. Subtract by counting. Subtract by counting backward. This is today's topic, and this topic we are going to do in book only. Okay, this topic is given on page number 69, and this topic we will do in book only, not in notebook. Okay, so all of you open page number 69 in your book and take out your pencils and erasers. Take out your pencil and eraser. The topic that we are doing is subtract by counting backward. Okay, and this we will do in book itself. Okay, this we will do in book only. No need to write in class or copy. So one hand is drawn there, and what that hand speak? It is the time to subtract. Let us make it back. मतलब ये जो टाइम है वो किसका है? सब्ट्रैक्शन का है. एंड लेट अस मेक इट बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट ब्लॉक. टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 from 3. वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 is equals to. Okay, so we have to count backward. Okay, we have to count backward. That means we have to do backward counting. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to subtract 3 minus 2. That means we have to do backward counting by 2. So that means we have to do backward counting. So count backward 3, 2 and 1. So what is the answer? Count backward 2. After 3, count 2 times backward. 3 के बाद 2 बार हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू काउंट बैकवर्ड? वी टेक आउट द नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर वी हैव टू काउंट बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग 2 times. So I have taken my 2 fingers. So start counting backward after 3. Start counting backward 2 times. 3 next number is 2 and 1. So what is the answer? कहाँ पहुँचे हम? 1. Answer is 1. Okay, answer is 1. So write, it is already done. It is already done. Now see the next number. See one more way to how do we count backward. See the second part B. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. Minus 3. Now count 3 numbers back to subtract 3 from 5. Count 3 numbers back from 5. We have to, what we have to do? We have to count 3 numbers back from 5. So what are the 3 numbers back from 5? 4, 3 and 2. 4, 3 and 2. So how many numbers are left? 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So write there 2. write there 2. So 5 is written, so we have taken 5 fingers. Now we have to count 3 numbers back after 5. So 4, 3 and 2. This we have done 3 fingers back. Now how many fingers are left? 2. So 2 is the answer. In this way we do counting backward, subtraction by backward counting. Now see the next C. ABC is not written there. Blocks are drawn. A, 1, 2, 3 blocks are there. So I am writing it as A, B and C. That means the third block. To subtract 5 from 7. We have to subtract 5 from 7. 5 from 7. So here the number is 7. So I have taken 7 fingers, but their hands are drawn. I am not drawing the hands on the board. So I am taking my fingers. So I have taken 7 fingers. So I have to count 5 numbers backward. So count 5 numbers backward after 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, again once more time. After 5, after 7, 6, 7, 5 after 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. How many numbers, how many fingers are left? 2. So write here 2. 2. Now next 6. To subtract 6 from 9. To subtract 6 from 9. To subtract 6 from 9. So 9. So I have taken 9 fingers. Now what is the next step? We have to count backward. How many fingers? 6 fingers. So after 9, start counting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. How many fingers remains? 3. So the answer of 9 plus 6 is 3. Okay, so in the box write 3. 3. So in this way we subtract the numbers using backward counting. Okay, now students, copy fast. Copy fast. You have to only write the answer in the given block. The blocks are given, so you only write the answer in the block. Now turn your page and take out page number 7070. Take out page number 7070. Addition and subtraction puzzle fun. Addition and subtraction puzzle fun. And this is also homework for you. Okay, I am not going to solve this puzzle. This is homework for you. You solve this puzzle. This puzzle is very simple, based on only addition and subtraction, and both the topics addition and subtraction already we have covered, we have done, we have learned, we have practiced so many questions also. So I hope all of you know how to add and how to subtract. So only addition and subtraction required to solve this puzzle, and this puzzle is very interesting. That is why it is written puzzle fun. You know what is the meaning of fun? Fun means having a fun, मस्ती, खुशी, जिसमें आपको अच्छा लगता है. Okay, तो this puzzle will be fun for you. आपको उसको solve करके बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You will enjoy while you are solving this puzzle. I will explain you how to solve the puzzle. You don't take the help of your parents. I hope all of you are very much brilliant to solve this puzzle on your own, without help of your father, without help of your mother, without help of your elder brother or sister. Don't take anybody's help, because now you are capable of solving this question yourself. ओके, आप अब इतने केपेबल हो गए हैं कि आप खुद ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसमें आपको किसी की भी हेल्प लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इफ़ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, सो यू कैन टेक इट, बट ट्राई टू डू योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. ओके, So see what is written there. I am reading, you pay attention. Addition and subtraction puzzle fun. Some robot is there. You know what is robot? देखा है robot? Have you seen the film Robot? Robot कौन होता है? He is a man or he is a woman? He is a human being? No, robot is a machine जो आपके सारे काम कर देती है. Okay? Robot is a machine made by human being. But he can work as a human being. रोबोट क्या होता है? एक मशीन होती है, ठीक है, जिसको किसने बनाया होता है? ह्यूमन बीइंग ने, इंसान ने. बट वो जो रोबोट है वो किसकी तरह काम करता है? एक ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह. आप उसको कहेंगे गो एंड ब्रिंग दैट कॉपी फॉर मी, मेरे लिए वो कॉपी लेके आओ. ही विल ब्रिंग दैट कॉपी. सो इन दिस वे द रोबोट कैन वर्क. सो इट इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ रोबोट. And what he tells, let us read that the given lines. I am Hobby Robbie. So that means Hobby Robbie. You know what is Hobby Robbie? It is the name of that robot. Robot का नाम है Hobby Robbie. So I am Hobby Robbie. वो खुद ही बोल रहा है I am Hobby Robbie. Fill in the boxes to help me to reach my spacecraft. You know what is spacecraft? इसको spacecraft में बैठना है. दैट मीन्स ही इज नॉट रोबोट, ही इज एलियन. ओके, हु इज ही इज एलियन बिकॉज ही वांट टू रीच द स्पेसक्राफ्ट. और स्पेसक्राफ्ट में कौन बैठ के आता है? आपने देखी है कोई मिल गया फिल्म? देखी है जादू वाली? जादू वाली पिक्चर में कौन होता है? जादू कौन होता है? एलियन, है ना. और वो कहाँ से आता है? वो स्पेस से आता है. और स्पेस में कहाँ से, काय में बैठ के आता है? स्पेस क्राफ्ट में बैठ के आता है, ठीक है. सो ही इज अ एलियन एंड ही वांट टू रीच मतलब पहुंचना. ही वांट टू रीच टू हिज स्पेस क्राफ्ट. उसको अपने स्पेस क्राफ्ट तक पहुंचना है. सो आपको उसकी हेल्प करना है. कैसे हेल्प करेंगे? ये जो बॉक्सेस है ना उनको सॉल्व करके. ओके, जब आप सारे बॉक्सेस को सॉल्व कर लोगे, सारे ब्लैंक्स को आप फिल कर लेंगे, भर देंगे, तब वो जो हॉबी रॉबी है वो अपने स्पेसक्राफ्ट तक पहुंच जाएगा. ओके, सो अब आपका टर्न स्टार्ट होता है कि आप उसको कैसे हेल्प करते हैं, ठीक है. सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. 4 + 5 you have to add 4 and 5 and write that answer in the box. Then 10 - 2, then you have to subtract 10 - 2 and write that answer in the box. Next is 6 + 3, you have to add 6 and 3 and write that number in the box. Then 8 + 0, 8 + 2, 9 - 6, and so many questions are given down also below the space graph. So you have to solve all the puzzle, all the question and make help to the hobby to reach to the space graph. Okay, so this will be homework for you. So do your best, try your best. Okay, now open your copies fast. Open your copies and open new page. Now we are going this chapter already. Now we have completed all the given topics in this chapter. Now we have reached the revision time. Okay, so today we are going to solve the question that is given on the revision test. So all of you take out your notebook and write the date. Write here date. Write the date and write the heading revision time. Revision time. Revision time. Now the first question, give 2 example of number pairs. Right? Give two examples. Give 2 examples of number pair. Give 2 example of number pairs In each case, that added up to, okay, this is the question. Give two example of number pair. पेयर मतलब जोड़ी, आपको नंबर्स के पेयर बनाने हैं. इन ईच केस दैट एडेड अप टू, आपको बताना है कि वो दो नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे कब तक, वो आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. सी दिस बॉक्स इज देयर and 3 is written there, okay, and A and B part are there. So 0 plus dash is equals to 3 and 2 plus dash is equals to 3. What number should be added to 0 to get 3? So count forward counting after 0. फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग कब, 0 से फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, कब तक करेंगे, जब तक 3 नहीं आ जाता, और फिंगर्स निकालेंगे. सो 0 1 2 3, आ गया 3. कितनी फिंगर्स निकली? 3. सो राइट हियर 3. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 2, और आपको आंसर कितना लाना है? 3. सो 2 के बाद फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे और फिंगर्स निकालेंगे. 2 3, एक ही फिंगर में आ गया. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 2 plus 1 is 3. Now see the next block. You have to obtain 5. हमें क्या चाहिए आंसर? 5. It is also having two parts. 4 plus dash is equals to 5 and 2 plus dash is equals to 5. अब after 4 start counting, forward counting. 4 and 1 5. That means how many finger? Only one finger. So write here 1. Again after 2 start counting. 3 4 5. How many fingers? 3 fingers. 5 पे आके हमें रुकना है. Okay. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 3 is also 5. See one more block last. And what answer you will obtain? हमें क्या आंसर आना चाहिए? A. So A and B दो पार्ट आ given. 6 plus dash is equals to 8 and 5 plus dash is equals to 8. Start counting after 6. 7 8. How many fingers? 2 fingers. Again start counting after 5 और 8 पे आके stop होना है. 5 6 7 8. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So write here 3. Right here 3. So in this way we make a pair of a number, and how many times we have to add, that will depend on the number. हमें कहाँ कौन सा नंबर चाहिए वहां तक काउंट करना. कॉपी फास्ट, राइट फास्ट. Right first, I will once again explain you. Once again I am explaining you. Pay attention students. जो हमें आंसर चाहिए that is 3, हमें 3 चाहिए. So blank में हम क्या नंबर इसमें ऐड करेंगे कि हमें 3 मिलेगा? हम वो फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग से करेंगे. So 0 के आगे हमें काउंट करना है. कब तक करना है? जब तक 3 नहीं आ जाता. So take out fingers 0 1 2 and 3. So how many fingers are there? 3. That means 0 plus 3 is 3. Now see the next question 2. Okay. So we have to start forward counting after 2 and we have to stop when we obtain 3. हमें कब तक काउंट करना है? जब तक 3 नहीं मिलता. So start counting after 2, 3. एक ही फिंगर में आ गया, that means answer is 1. Now move to the next question. What is the number here? 5. That means हमें 5 तक काउंट करना है. 4 के बाद काउंट करेंगे 5. Only one finger, so here 1 is there. 2, so start counting after 2. और कहाँ तक? जब तक 5 नहीं मिलता. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3 fingers are there, so I have written here 3. Now see the next question. 8 आना चाहिए, so after 6 start counting till 8. 7, 8. So 2 fingers, so 2. Now 5, after 5 start counting till 8. 6, 7 and 8. 3 fingers, so this is the answer 3. So in this way we do the question. Okay, so for today students it is sufficient. We will continue the other questions of revision type in our next lecture. Bye students.